Now let's review the facts of this case. If you are a law student, lawyer, or legal professional, click below for the complete case video, including the review of the parties, procedural posture and history, case issue, court holding and rulings, policy established, case key terms, and much more. Daubert and another minor, the plaintiffs, claimed that their birth defects were caused by their mothers taking Bendectin, a morning sickness drug manufactured by Merrell Dow Pharmaceuticals. They sued, arguing that the drug posed risks to fetal development and presented expert testimony suggesting a possible link. However, the trial court excluded their expert testimony under the Frye standard, which required scientific methods to be widely accepted before being admitted as evidence. Merrell Dow Pharmaceuticals defended Bendectin, maintaining that no widely accepted scientific studies supported a connection between the drug and birth defects. The company presented testimony from Dr. Stephen H. Lamb, an epidemiologist, who stated that no accepted research established a causal link. Since the plaintiffs' experts used unproven methods, their testimony was excluded, and the court ruled in favor of Merrell Dow Pharmaceuticals. The plaintiffs appealed, arguing that excluding their expert witnesses prevented them from presenting crucial evidence. The U.S. Supreme Court reviewed the case and ruled that under the federal rules of evidence, judges must evaluate expert testimony based on reliability and relevance, not just general acceptance. This ruling replaced the Frye standard with the Daubert standard, establishing a more flexible framework for admitting expert evidence in federal courts. To view the entire video explanation and the thousands of additional case and topic videos, click below and subscribe for optimal law school performance.